Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at 11 Mile right now and I'm taking the kayak out. I'm in a whole different spot area, but my daughter over there on the other end, I don't know if you guys can see her, but she is way over there. She just hooked one up, so I gotta go help her out. So let's go see what she caught, okay guys? So I made it here to my daughter and let's see what she caught. Now we need to take out the hook. So do you want to keep this? I found these. I don't know who these are, so if this is yours, leave a comment down and my 11 Mile and I'll get them back to you. But I found them on the floor. So let's see here. This is a good one. Nice rainbow. There you go. Got the hook removed. Where's the hook at? There's your hook. So, there you go guys. First catch of the day at 11 Mile. And I didn't hook this one, but my daughter hooked it. So what do you want to do with this? You want to keep this or what? You want to measure this?
Should we keep it? Do you think we have? Should we?
This one we might have to keep. But we'll see how well she does. Or he, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's measure this. If she swims off, she's healthy. If not, then she's needs more time. So we're gonna get a weight on her. Just weigh her. Oh, okay. And 1 pound. So we got 1 pound and 4. Let's take a look at that. 1 pound 4 on this trout here, and we might have to keep her because she's not doing too well. Let's get a size on her real fast. Go ahead and you can bait up if you want. And she is 14 inches. I got a 14 incher. 14 incher right there, guys. So this one doesn't look like it's doing too well, but if it recovers well, then we'll go from there. So, go from there. Okay, guys, so my daughter caught one. Now I have to catch one. It's just the way it's gonna work, guys. The way it's gonna work. I'm not too shabby on standing on kayaks yet. I'll get there though. Some people just have really good balance. Not this guy here. A good swimmer, terrible balance. Okay. So I'm not gonna anchor. So I'm just gonna throw out and let the little current on the bottom take me wherever it's gonna take me today. Okay, so I had a friend that wants to come visit me. Hey, Mr. Pelican. What you looking for over here? If you see the fish, you let me know where the fish are at, okay? Because I'm looking for them just as much as you're looking for them. Should you follow me or should I follow you? You let me know, okay? Oh, yay. Look at me with those angry eyes, huh? Are you angry? I'm not angry. No? Come here. You got some? So, I thought my pelican friend left me, but no. He is circling me now. If he's circling me, that means there's fish in this area. So I just gotta be patient, because he probably knows what he's doing. I don't know if that's a male or female. I have no idea. But it's actually kind of cool to see him here in Colorado. I've seen him eat some really large fish with their beaks. It's actually a really good sight. If I can get that on footage, I'll post it right away. But you gotta catch it right away. So, bye buddy. Don't leave without me, okay? If I catch fish, you catch fish. That's the way it works. It's a love and hate relationship, okay? Alright. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. My toes are cold. Yeah. See, they're jumping over there too. Is your fish still alive? You're a fish killer. Feels like fall, huh? Yeah. Yeah, like late September. Ooh, fish on. Go. There we go, guys. Here at 11 Mile. Now that's beautiful. I didn't get it on footage. Okay, guys, I just landed this 20+ inch trout right here. Now this is a fatty. So, and I caught it here on this crank, and I didn't even get the footage on it, but I caught it on this, on my kayak, on my Sequoia 120 kayak, with this hard knock white crank right here. Okay, now if you know how to fish a crankbait for trout, you're gonna land a lot of trout. Okay, I land trout all the time with crankbaits. They're not just for bass. But we're gonna get a measurement on this. I'm gonna wait. So we're gonna zero that out, guys. Okay, I'm gonna zero that out, and then let's get a weight. Oops. Dang, it didn't zero out. So hold on. Ah. Okay. Now we're zeroed out. We have 4 pounds 2 ounces, guys. 4 pounds 2 ounces right there. So I'm excited about catching this 4 pound 2 ounce trout right here. Like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And I wish I had that on footage, but my GoPro just malfunctioned. It happens on the field, it happens.